Welcome, and let's start with a new lecture of the series of Google Earth Pro. So we open project 1. So we know about the how to locate points and the purpose of point, and we know about how to locate line and the purpose of line and polygon too. Now we need to summarize our uh, this series and conclude this series today. So in this lecture we need to know how to use the mirroring of lines. So mirroring actually we have done in this line command and polyline. So we know how to make to mirror the line. So simply for line path have the same command I use, like click here and click here. So I know the actual this will be my measurement map length, and this is ground length, and heading degree, it shows me the heading degree, and also the circle. So if I click at circle and just I click out, so if I make one factory here, so the radiation of heat or the uh, radiation particles, sorry, the radiations of the effect of the radiation can cover up to this diameter of specific point of radiation. So you can use this uh, uh, Google Earth Pro many purposes. Accurate software may be there, but this will be a general software for everybody. So you can use this one 3D parts. So for this one I just click here to print. Now I finalize. If I make some proposal, rough proposal, so I finalize this one. You can click here and change the title. I make title project 1. It's up to you. You make to which project. So make a description. I say it is school road. So here you need to mention, let's suppose it was 53 kilometers, means 0.53 kilometers. So you can also mention the width. So all these things, just click outside and it will be here in your plan. So you can change the feature also. Actually I have 4 features, so I will keep my legend simple. Unnecessary feature I will check off, uncheck uncheck this one also. So this will remain very simple feature here. It's up to you here. So here is your scale line. So you can shift your legend here, this position. Okay. So you have this one sample. You can zoom out to show it on large scale. You can change into a PDF. You can save it. So this will conclude our series by this video. So this Google Earth Aid is a very simple and very free available, as well as purchase. You can purchase this one. So this is a good tool for tourists, for civil engineers, for other persons who have no concern with civil engineering. So you can check the feature of the area. You can assess future past disasters by checking historical imagery, because we already discussed the imagery in series of years. You can check in 2012, you can check 2015. So different year imagery will be there. You can check the forest, roughly forest density of that area. You can check the source of sand in that area. You can check the area of the you can check the area of lake. You can check the water body. So it will give you a approximate results. It can fulfill your approximate a preliminary survey of that area. So this concludes. Thank you very much for for being